wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best barbecue tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Mr. Barbecue Silver Prestige is a comprehensive 21-piece toolkit that includes almost every implement you'll need to be the master of any grill. All of them are housed in a sturdy and attractive metal case and backed by a 5-year warranty. It includes salt and pepper shakers and a spare grill brush head. However, the case handle is a bit flimsy. At number 9, the simplistex 4-piece kit comes in a knife roll style carrying bag that makes for easy transport to your friend's house or the park. It has the basic implements you need to get food on and off the grill with ease, plus a brush for scraping it down at the end of the night. The brush head is replaceable and it includes a bottle opener on the spatula, but the tongs could use a better grip. Coming in at number 8 on our list, if you like to crack open a cold one while you cook, you'll be delighted with the Home Complete stainless steel. The spatula has a built-in bottle opener and also doubles as a knife, and the tongs have a toothed edge to provide a better grip when flipping food. Long handles protect your hands from the heat, and it's all dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. However, the case is not watertight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for barbecue tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Cuisinart CGS134 comes in at a nice affordable price considering the quality of its utensils. It contains the 3 most important implements and, as an added bonus, a heat-resistant grill glove for when you want added protection. It's available in many colors and the spatula has 2 cutting edges, but the metal is too flexible for some users. Moving up our list to number 6, the flamen non-slip is a basic affordable option that's functional, heavy-duty and easy to clean. All of the stainless steel utensils have hanging loops on the end, and it even includes a large carving knife for when it's time to serve. The hanging loops also work as bottle openers, and it includes thermoplastic rubber handle grips. However, it doesn't include a storage case. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Teikis 19-piece comes in a professional-looking black and silver storage box to keep everything together and organized between uses. It includes most of the implements you could possibly need, including 4 pairs of corn skewers and 4 steak knives. It features a digital meat thermometer and a silicone basting brush, but the grill brush isn't very durable. At number 4, the all-clad T147 is a testament to the brand's dominance when it comes to cookware both for the kitchen and the grill. It may seem pricey for a 4-piece set, but once you feel the quality of its instruments, you'll understand why. It comes with a sturdy locking metal storage case and is made from highly polished stainless steel. The spatula won't bend under load. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 5-piece Mr. Barbecue Forged comes in a lovely wooden box to match the sturdy handles on the tools it contains. It has a nice balance of elegance and rustic charm, well suited to the grill master who takes pride in his or her work. It features foam slots in the case for each utensil, metal riveted handles, and a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for barbecue tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want a kit that truly has everything, look no further than the Vysta Professional. In addition to all the traditional utensils, it also includes salt and pepper shakers, meat claws for easy shredding, and even a corkscrew for opening bottles of wine. This one's ideal for camping and comes with a cutting board and a glove. The pieces won't rust or break. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Alpha Griller's Heavy Duty contains 3 sophisticated implements well suited to barbecue professionals. Its oversized spatula, tongs and piercing fork are made from thick stainless steel to ensure they'll never bend or flex under the weight of a massive steak. They all have an ample 18-inch length, and the tongs are spring-loaded and locking. It's all backed by a money-back guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for barbecue tool sets, or simply click beneath this video.